Hello, people. How are you all? I hope all of you all are doing great and are super excited because Diwali is around the corner, just 1.5 days to go. And I am super excited. Like, personally, super duper excited because I personally love Diwali. It is my favorite festival. I think no other festival can replace Diwali. Actually, no other festival can replace any other festival, but I have something for Diwali. Something for Diwali. So, in that case, I thought of wearing something interesting and something new this Diwali, and therefore I ordered something. And when I received the order yesterday itself, I was so disheartened because the order was not even a single percent as I was expecting it to be. So it was so bad, like literally bad. And therefore, I had no other option but to return it and to discover something from my mom's or from my closet because I personally don't have anything traditional person I don't wear because I think it's a waste of money because you don't wear it on a regular basis, right? So, yeah, but somehow I discovered something and I tried pairing it up with something and accessorizing it and then making it look like a proper Diwali dress. So, I have 4 or 5 ways of uh, pairing a skirt, basically a dress, and making it look like a super proper Diwali festive dress. And also, if you're also stuck in such a situation like me, this video is definitely for you because I think at the last moment, maybe something happens with our dress and stuff like that. So we really get worried and think like, what can we wear and stuff like that. So today I'll be sharing that, like, definitely you won't be having the clothes I have. So what type of clothes you can pair with what all and how you can make it a proper festive dress. So yes, today that video is this one, so please keep watching till the end. I hope and I'm sure you'll like it. Stay tuned. This is the dress I was talking about. Such a pretty color, entirely plain with no work on it. I'm gonna convert this dress into a skirt because I think a skirt is a must when it comes to a traditional wear. Also, a palazzo can do the thing, but I wanted a skirt, such a nice flowy skirt it came out to be, and really interesting it is. Also, I'm gonna pair it with a black turtleneck upper. The other pair will be with a button down black maxi dress. I am telling you guys, this is gonna be an amazing pair. I'll be accessorizing these pairs with a beautiful red and black printed dupatta with amazing work on it. Along with it, I'll be using a chanderi amazing colorful dupatta which will go with everything and a plain black dupatta. Not only that, when it comes to jewelries, I'll be using mostly silver jewelries because I think it goes great with black and red outfits. And I won't be wearing this, but you all can wear bangles, silver bangles, and colorful bangles. Along with it, a silver earring is a must. With some of the pairs, I'll be using this black white belt with a little golden touch on it. So this is gonna be my first pair, a black and red combination. It's just amazing. It goes really well, looks really gorgeous. So this is how it looks when I wear it. Very simple, decent. Let's add some spark to it. I'll be wearing a silver neck piece, which is just amazing, which I just showed you in the start. This looks really nice, especially with the black outfits, and this turtleneck t-shirt is really cool. To add a little more Indian touch to it, I'll be using this dupatta. You can see this looks really pretty and goes really well with this outfit. And actually, this is such a dupatta. I am in love with this one. Though I don't get to wear it, but it is just amazing. Goes really nice. You can wear this dupatta in so many other ways. This is one of them. And this looks really nice. This looks as if you're wearing a shrug, but it actually is not a shrug. And you can put a belt on top of it. It will just look gorgeous. You can even use a chanderi dupatta with it, and it will look super cool. When it comes to the black dupatta, you can tuck it behind in the skirt and you can make it look like a sari ka palla. And also, you can pair it with if you don't want to pair it with the turtleneck with something like this, you can also pair it with a crop top maybe if you want to go a little more OTT or a little more bold. So that will be perfect for it. I would love to pair it with a choker neck piece, which is again silver in color. Along with it, I'll be wearing an earring this time, which is multicolored, mostly red and silver is there, so it goes perfectly well with the outfit. This is how the entire outfit looks like. This looks really simple yet classy and really gorgeous. Next up is a maxi dress. Yes, it looks little oversized, but trust me, when you put a belt on it, it just fits you super well and it looks so nice. So now I'll wear the same neck piece which I wore in the first outfit, and I think this is one of the neck pieces which will go with all the traditional outfits, and especially if it is black or red, it looks really gorgeous. Again, this dupatta, because I feel this is such a dupatta which can bring life to an entire outfit, and it goes with everything you can see. You can carry it like this also, and it looks equally amazing and life giving to an outfit. So, these were some of the outfits I could create from that simple dress, if you remember. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope you enjoyed and it could be of little help to you. If you have any queries regarding any of these outfits or anything related to it, quickly comment me down in the comment section as Diwali is just 1.5 days. Just to remind you all, and take care, have fun, lots of love, enjoy, do whatever you want. Happy Diwali in advance. Take care.